IT Service Management, often known as ITSM, is a vital component of the operations of modern businesses, and possessing the appropriate tools is essential for the delivery of successful IT services. The purpose of this video is to familiarize you with some of the most useful IT service management products now on the market and to examine the characteristics of these tools as well as the benefits they offer. There is a solution available for IT service management that can assist streamline your operations and improve your overall service delivery, regardless of the size of your company or the industry you operate in. Now, before we start with our session, if you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning channel. Also, if you're looking for an online training certification in PMP, check out the link given in the description box below. So, without any further ado, let's get started with our video. The first tool is ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a platform for IT service management that runs in the cloud and handles various management tasks, such as change management, problem management, service catalog management, and incident management. It also has a self-service site where customers can submit requests for service and check on the status of those requests. A market leader in ITSM, for most of the last 10 years, ServiceNow is a cloud platform that manages all IT processes smartly by putting them all in one place. They market their Service Desk tool based on how easy it is to set up, build business processes, and use by customers. The service management tool has built-in, ITIL, processes to help you get started, and visual task boards help your team stay productive without many workflows. With a streamlined workflow, reorganization automation features can also help your team automate tasks that are done over and over again. Also, an online user portal makes it easy for customers and end users to get in touch with you and ask for service. It gives you the information you need up front with its several powerful features. ServiceNow is best for medium-sized to large businesses that want to choose from one of 3 packages and pricing options. ITSM is both professional and business-oriented. The second tool is Jira Service Management. Jira Service Management is a powerful tool for ITSM that lets organizations handle problems, changes, and incidents. It also has features for managing assets and managing knowledge. It works with Jira software and Confluence, which are also Atlassian tools. This platform can be set up both on premises and in the cloud. It is made for working together, and it has automation that is on a whole new level. It will let the people on the team make a change request without getting approval first. It is best for small to large businesses. Machine learning will be used to run the self-service portal. It is a Pink Verify certified service desk with features like knowledgeable, SLA management, and the ability to automate tasks that are done often. It gives you reports that will help you get better at what you do. The IT team or developers will benefit from integrating the Jira Service Desk with the Jira software because they will only have to use one platform to fix problems and push changes. You can change how Jira Service Desk works by choosing apps from the Atlassian marketplace that fit your needs. There are more than 800 apps for it in the market. The third tool is BMC Helix. BMC Helix is an ITSM tool that includes incident management, problem management, change management, and asset management, among other things. In addition, a service catalog and a knowledge management system are included. The BMC Helix, ITSM, solution is a multi-cloud capable integration tool with a mobile-first design that gives its departments access to their service management workflows from any device. Additionally, you can use one of 90 pre-built reports to monitor service management issues and communicate with staff. Helix is a comprehensive, ITSM, tool that integrates BMC's self-service portals, My IT Self-Service Desk, and Atrium Configuration Management Database Lifecycle Planning. Due to its integration capabilities, it offers one-click self-service for all devices. The BMC Helix is suitable for small to large enterprises that require remote mobile access for teams that require service desk skills in multiple locations. The fourth tool is Zendesk. A platform for providing customer care, Zendesk also provides IT service management functions such as incident management, problem management, and change management. In addition to that, it features a knowledge base and a self-service site. It also features messaging and live chat capabilities. Tracking, prioritizing, and responding to client tickets will become much easier with the support strategy. It has capabilities for the knowledge base. Both external and internal self-service options are available through its utilization. It offers a digital form of customer service help. The Zendesk suite includes a variety of tools such as live chat and messaging, reporting, and more. The fifth tool is Freshservice. Freshservice is a cloud-based, ITSM, application that supports incident management, problem management, change management, and asset management, among other capabilities. It also features a knowledge base and a self-service site. Freshservice offers a simple IT service desk solution to install and operate. It offers multi-channel help for automating chores and resolving difficulties via email, chat, phone, and other channels. The application is compatible with iOS and Android smartphones. It includes incident management capabilities, supports multiple ticket sales methods. It has attributes for knowledge management, automated development of knowledge base articles based on incident resolution solutions. It provides a portal for self-service. Team Huddle, employees can communicate with their teammates from within a ticket. Service Catalog, a user-friendly solution to offer numerous departments various services. Management of SLAs by establishing numerous SLA policies. Freshservice is a platform with many features that can assist you in managing problems, assets, etc. It provides features for both small and large teams, as well as companies. In addition, it provides enterprises with IP safe listing and audit logging capabilities. The sixth tool is Surewell, ITSM. Surewell is a leader in the field of IT service management. ITSM is a tool that helps with problem management, change management, and keeping track of assets. It also has a knowledge management system and a site where people can help themselves. Surewell Service Management gives ITSM tools to small and large businesses, including on-premises and software as a service or SaaS. Codeless integration means your service management software can connect to other programs and upgrade itself without removing resources from your IT department. It will also be included by the Department of Service Management, and Asset Knowledge Management allows teams to track and improve processes related to their knowledge base and asset management and upgrades. Both the cloud and on-premises versions of the system use the same code. This makes it easy to switch between configurations. The seventh tool is SolarWinds Service Desk. The SolarWinds Service Desk is an IT service management application that can manage assets, changes, problems, and incidents. It also has a mobile app, a knowledge base, and a site where people can help themselves. SolarWinds Service Desk, which used to be called the Salmonage Service Platform, gives businesses and teams of all sizes the tools they need to build an IT service management system at a price that works well for small businesses and scales up to the enterprise level. SolarWinds Service Desk helps IT departments automate service management in over 150 countries. Ways that users can find out about problems and service levels related to the service desk to improve customer satisfaction and make the whole environment work better. This incident service management tool also helps manage and prioritize incoming tickets with an eye on the end user. The Service Desk catalog makes service requests and fulfillment processes more consistent. I would like to conclude this video by saying, tools for ITSM, or Information Technology Service Management, are absolutely necessary for companies to have in order to effectively manage their IT services and guarantee complete client satisfaction. There is a wide selection of IT service management, ITSM, software on the market today, each of which comes with its own individual set of features and capabilities. You should be familiar with the IT service management products ServiceNow, BMC Helix, Surewell Service Management, Freshservice, and Zendesk. These are some of the top technologies available. While selecting an IT service management solution, it is essential to take into account not only the specific demands and prerequisites of your business but also considerations such as cost, convenience of use, scalability, and integration with other products. Before settling on a choice, it is essential to conduct in-depth study and give careful consideration to all of your potential possibilities in order to find the IT service management, ITSM, application that will prove to be the most beneficial for your company. With this, we have come to an end of this video. I hope it was helpful. Comment your thoughts in the section below. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning channel. Also, if this has spiked your interest and you want to learn more about project management and its practices, check out Project Management Certification Training by Invensis Learning. We at Invensis Learning provide interactive instructor-led certification training by trainers with rich domain experience and expertise. We also provide mock tests to make you confident while appearing for the certification exams, access to case studies prepared by the industry experts, and personalized LMS with lifetime access that contain course resources. Thank you. Have a nice day.